Hey Joash, how long do I put this in for?
About 30 seconds.
Okay.
No, Jasmine.
No!
No. Too late. It's too late. Jess, it's too late.
No!
It's too late.
No!
Jess, it's okay. It's okay. Jess, it's okay.
Oh Josh, it's still a bit cold.
Maybe like another 30 seconds. We hope you guys enjoyed this little skit. Hit the like button if you guys want to see more videos like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well. And the bell to get notified whenever videos come out.
Let us know also in the comments if you guys ever try to stop the microwave before it goes off.
Share the love, guys, and we're looking forward to see you guys in our next video.
This has been J&J and we'll see you guys next time.
Au revoir. Babe, no, why are you smiling? Go back. Oh my. Why? Babe, no, you gotta get on the... Okay.